The MDCTP, or the Medical Devices Commercialisation Training Program, has to date been the most successful commercialisation accelerator in medtech in Australia. So the program's key objective is to increase the commercialisation literacy in our medical research and clinical sectors. So upskilling entrepreneurial people to enable them to take their technologies to market.
Most of us are inventors. So we know everything about our technology, but we don't know anything about the market, the business model, reimbursement, revenues, and all those financial statements, and the relationship and the channels. So this course is the best place to learn about what you need to do and what you need to plan for future.
Deep down, I would always be an engineer because of my background. And this program has allowed me to think outside the box. It's very unique in that sense that you're always checking with your customers, is this what you required? Are we on the right path? I'm excited to actually digest all of the information and implement it and have the whole year to work on these things that came up through the customer interviews.
It's team-based learning. There's lots of different views and opinions, lots of people from different fields of research. Therefore, this program is nurturing, it gives us vision, it helps us grow our ideas, and it gives us all the context that we require.
Being surrounded by a group of people who don't have fully formed business models and seeing the holes that people pick in their business models allows you to reflect well on your own and see where you've got challenges that you've not thought about. I think if you were to do that just in isolation, you wouldn't get as much feedback from as many people. It allows it to take it from something that's really juvenile to something that's actually a solid business model.
It's been absolutely incredible to see that our technology, there is a market for it and there is a need, and to be able to navigate our way through and find those people has been highly rewarding, and I would recommend it to anyone who's thinking about commercialising their technology.
From the program we get into contact with the people that we can further interact, bring them as a partners or as advisors on our own technology. So the network that this program provides is beyond the benefit of just one technology.
It's been a really open learning environment. No matter what our education background is, we are sharing our knowledge and give each other advice and critique on how to improve what we do. So it's been very constructive in general, both guided by the facilitators as well as through the specialist topic guest speakers who were invited for most weeks to give us in-depth insight into different aspects of the business structure.
These are going to be our next captains of industry, and they're creating those industries now. We always were challenged by an ecosystem that was complex, that was becoming increasingly difficult to get success or venture capital. These graduates are actually going to change that ecosystem, not incrementally, they're going to transform it. They're building their intellectual property here, and we have seen that they're building businesses here. And that is a very, very good news story for New South Wales.